language. My name is Tashenova and I'm an English teacher of Janedar Musin Kokshetau Kazakh Higher Pedagogical College. Today we are speaking about the reported speech. As you know, we have direct and indirect speech in the English language. So the direct speech, it means when we say something, some sentences directly. And when we want to transform somebody's information to the other people, we call it the reported speech or the indirect speech. So the next list of our presentation consists of the example in the direct speech. Let's look through. I'm going to the cinema tonight. So this sentence is given in the direct speech. Let's transform it into the reported speech. He told me he was going to the cinema that night. So as you see here, when we transformed the sentence from direct into reported speech, we have used the reporting verb tell in the past. Then we changed pronouns, we changed the tenses and the time expression tonight. Next, to make the sentences in the reported speech, we start with the reporting verbs. They are say or tell. As you see from the example, we have differentiated the usage of the reporting verbs say and tell. For example, he told me that he loved me, and he said to me that he wanted to marry me. And now you may have a question, how to differentiate say and tell? When do we use the reporting verb say and when do we use the reporting verb tell? So with tell, we need to use the direct object, for example, me, you, us, and so on. And you may see it from the given example. And with the reporting verb say, we can or can't use the direct object. And you may see it from the given examples. Then also we have some another reporting verbs in the English language. For example, he decided, he affirmed, he explained, he confessed. And for making questions, for reporting questions into reported speech, we use such reporting verbs like he asked, he questioned, he wondered, and he inquired. So here now we will analyze the tense changes in the reported speech. So here we have three columns. The first column consists of the names of the tenses. Then we have examples in the direct speech, and the next column we have the transformed sentences into the reported speech. For example, if to take the sentence in the present simple, for example, I like ice cream, we change it into the reported speech and it will sound like the following. She said that she liked ice cream. As you may see here, the present simple in the direct speech was transformed into reported speech with past simple. Then the next present continuous will be changed into reported speech with past continuous. Past simple will be used as past perfect. Then past continuous will be past perfect continuous in the reported speech. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Past perfect will live in the reported speech like past perfect. Then the auxiliary verb will in the reported speech will be would. Would in the reported speech will live like would. It will have no changes. Then the modal verb can in the reported speech will have the past form of it. It will change into could. Next, so in the previous list of our presentation, we have analyzed the changes of tenses, from the direct speech into reported speech. Now we will analyze the changes of time expressions from direct into reported. So, for example, the time expressions like this in the reported speech will be that. So today or this day will change into that day. This, those, now, then, a week ago, the week before, and last weekend, the weekend before, here, there, next, the following, and tomorrow, the next, or the following day. Next, we will speak about reporting questions, how to transform questions into the reported speech. So, at first we will speak about WH questions. As you know, it is one of the types of the questions in the English language. For example, direct question, yeah? Where is the post office, please? Into the reported question, it will change like that. She asked me where the post office was, yeah? As you see, be attentive, please. Here, we use at first reporting verb, yeah, ask in order to inquire somebody. Then we will leave the WH question, where. Then we will have subject, yeah, and then the verb here is changed into was. Next, yes/no questions. So, in other words, it is general questions, yeah? Also one of the types of the questions in the English language. Here, when we want to report general questions into reported speech, we use the particle if. So, for example, do you love me? In the reported speech it will be, he asked me if I loved him. So, at first we'll use the reporting verb ask, then we use if, the particle if, then subject and verb and other parts of speech. Next, next students, I want to have some practice with you, but we will analyze only some examples. For example, the first one, yeah? Let's choose the correct verb. Everybody, so the right variant will be, yeah, everybody said the concert had been terrible. So here we will choose the reporting verb said, because as you know from the previous material, we have no direct object, yeah. We have, after told only, we use the direct object, yeah. And other examples are like the same as the first one. Next, your task is to put the sentences in the reported speech, yeah? The first, for example, it is the sentence in the direct speech, I'm having a party tonight, yeah? And you should finish the given reported speech sentences. For example, it will be like that. He said that he was having a party that night. Here we have changed present continuous into past continuous, and also we have changed time expression tonight into that night, yeah? Don't forget about that. Next, it is the continuation of the exercise. You might practice with this yourselves. And so, now, dear English learners, you will have your own tasks. Please make reporting statements and reporting questions using the previous material. Good luck for you. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.